Hello mga inday and mga uncle. Kumusta kayong lahat? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel, ako pala si Inday Fretzy and my husband is William, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi mga inday, may favor sana ako sa inyo. If nagustuhan nyo yung videos ko mga inday, please share nyo na din sa mga social media nyo kaya para naman madagdagan ang ating subscribers. Sana mga inday, makamit na natin this year yung 10,000 subscribers. So I'm going to na mga inday, 7,000 subscriber. Ayan, so sana ma-reach na natin yung 10,000 subscriber mga inday. Pero matagal-tagal pa yun siguro. So mga ilang years pa siguro yun. Pero sana mga inday this years, mag-get na natin yun. So anyway mga inday, as you can see, nag-get ready with me ako kasi nga, nag-aya si Uncle ninyo na papunta kami na sa Sportsman's Warehouse. Kasi bibili namin si mama niya ng regalo mga inday. Kasi nga, itong month na to is magbe-birthday yung mama niya, 81 years old. So mag-81 birthday siya. Kaya hayan mga inday, naglalagay tayo ng mga very light lang ng kilay. Ayan. So, kung tinatanong nyo anong ginagamit ko pang kilay mga inday, next yung brand niya, NYX. Ayan. And then, naglagay lang tayo ng very light na tinted sunscreen, very light na blush on, and face powder, and lipstick mga zay. So, tapos na. Ganun yung file ng look natin. And anyway, pasensya nyo pala yung nasa likod ko mga inday. Kinakausap ko pag alas 12 na ng gabi. Charot lang. Ayan. So, ganyan, yun ang kulin niyo, huli siya mga inday. So, first huli niya nung nag-hunting siya, kaya dinikit niya sa pader. Ayan. Kakambal ko, charot lang. So, yung mga inday, kung tinatanong niyo anong ginagamit kong mascara, magandang mascara mga inday, recommended ko talaga is ang Maybelline, yung yellow na yan mga inday. So, $9 lang ata yan. And then, napakaganda mga inday, hahaba talaga yung pilik mata niyo. And then, naglagay ako ng very light na lipstick, pero bawasan natin yan. Yung parang lip tint lang ang atake niya, kasi nga sobrang pula-pula. O, mukha tayo si Ruby. Yan. So, ganyan yung final look natin mga inday, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Get Ready With Me. So, see you later mga inday. And of course, di makalimutan ang baby cologne, kaya para mag-amoy tayong baby. Kasi kahit matanda na tayo, amoy pa din tayo baby. And then of course mga inday, as you can see, meron tayong, nabili ko yun mga inday sa Shein, yung sling bag ko. Nabili ko ng $11,000. Charot lang. So, $11 lang nabili ng mga inday sa Shein. And ang ganda niya. So, ayun lang mga inday, ma-share ko lang. So, alas na kami mga inday.
Let's go! Come on, Maurice, Inday.
Yun yung final look natin mga inday, o, di ba? Fresh lang. May meal tayo mga inday. Ayaw pakitingin ni Uncle, kaya yun.
Here's your card. Wanna wait till we get home?
Oh my God!
You wanna wait till we get home?
Mga inday! Mga inday, green card ko. Ah! Yes, love. We can get home. Here.
Wanna wait till we get home?
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at that outfit. Outfit check.
Outfit check. Check. Let's go.
So, ayan mga inday. Nakita nyo ba yung pinakita kanina? Oh my God! Yun na yung green card ko. Pero, hindi ko pa binuksan kasi nga, papunta kami ng, mga inday, Ronald, where's that go?
Ronald Park. She can't even think now. She's too excited.
Ronald Park in where?
And a snail!
Where we go? To buy the
Sportsman's. We gotta get the Madu a cot for her birthday.
Sportsman shop mga warehouse mga inday kasi because we're going to buy
The Madu.
My mother-in-law or my maid's gift for her birthday, her 81 birthday on next weekend. So ayun mga inday, and then this time I am
being a snail.
No, it's really hard for me to speak English.
Because you're... Aha! Exactly my point. Why you should be talking more English. Because if you're going to get a job, you need more English. So
this time, it is my It is my time to decorate because last time it's all classy, and now
it's all of me, like decoration, everything in the house, mga Inday. So samahan niyo ako and mag-decorate sa sa bahay namin noon kasi nga magbe-birthday yung mother ni William, mga Inday. So kung tinatanong niyo pala mga Inday, I'm very 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 close to his family, like my mother-in-law, father-in-law, and all his kids to mga Inday were very close, and they're very very nice.
They're very easy, they're very so.
So yun lang mga Inday, ma-share ko lang. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bag ko mga Inday from Shein, diba? Nabili ko to mga Inday ng $11,000. So, diba? Super expensive talaga siya. Talo pa yung mga jewelry, yung charot lang. $11 ko nabili itong mga Inday. Baka sabihin nyo, yabang mo, $11,000. So, $11 ko lang ito nabili mga Inday. Tapos, bibili pa ako nito mga Inday ng what if I use it already?
What?
I can give to my maid, but I use already.
Yes?
Yeah.
It doesn't have anything on it. Give it to her if you want.
Yeah.
Ask Cassie if you think she'd like it. I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know, but she likes bags. And I see her
I think she would.
wearing.
I think she'd love it because
She's
it's
wearing bags.
green.
Yeah, but maybe I give it to her.
You go ahead. Think she'd like it.
Ginamit ko na kasi mga Inday, regalo ko sana. Pero bibili pa tayo ng black. Bibili tayo ng black mga Inday, and bibili tayo nung peach ang color. Peach ba ang tawag doon? Yung parang siyang brown pero light, very light, parang yung brown at saka white pinaghalo na, parang peach ba ang tawag doon mga Inday. So ganito ang kulay ng mga Inday. Pakita ko sa inyo, wait. Ayan mga Inday, ayan, ganyan yung kulay. Pero i-light pa yan, i-light. Yung ganyan siya kulay mga Inday, pero i-light mo pa siya na kulay. So ganun ang bibilhin natin mga Zay. Ayan, andito kami mga Inday, nagpag-gas si uncle ninyo kasi nga aalis kami, di ba? So anyway mga Inday, nakalimutan ko pala, no? So kumusta pala kayong lahat mga Inday? I'm so very very happy talaga mga Inday kasi nga finally naging na tayo, Amerikana, charot lang. Kasi nga 'di ba nagkaano na tayo Social Security System, Social Security ID, and green card mga Inday, 'di ba? Nakita nyo kanina, nakita niyo yung ginanon ko mga Inday. So yun pala yung green card natin. So I got my green card already. And then, Social Security. The next natin mga Inday is yung California card mga Inday, yung kailangan natin. And then, hayon, I'm looking for a job na. But, unahin ko muna mga Inday yung open bank account. Kasi nga, sa kasi mga Inday, sa TikTok, nakapag-affiliate na ba ako? For example, mga Inday, kanina, gumamit ako ng mascara. Pwede ko i-post yun mga Inday. Then, may pag may naggustuhan na mascara na yun, parang gusto bumili, tapos sa akin siya na account nagbili doon. Affiliate mga sa Pilipinas sa mga Inday, may mga affiliate sa TikTok, di ba? Ayun, kung familiar sa inyo 'yon. May commission ako doon mga Inday, kaya kailangan ko talaga. Pero nagkaroon ako doon na-fix ko na yung tax Chorvanes doon na na-approve na ako mga Inday, yung ko na lang identification ID ang kailangan ko na lang doon. Then na tayo mga Inday, makapag-affiliate na tayo doon. Yung mga dress na mga sinusuot ko, pwede ko i-post doon mga Inday. Hindi may mag-affiliate ganun. Diba? Kahit lang mga Inday, mga cents lang, maiipon at maiipon din yun, diba? Katulad ng mga Inday, katulad ng Facebook, no? Facebook kasi mga Inday, nag-start na ako nag-earn. For example, yung yung photos, yung mga videos ko doon sa sa Facebook. Kahit paano mga Inday, nakapag-earn ako. For example, mag-earn lang ng 33 cents, 90 cents, mga ganyan mga Inday. Pero alam niyo magkano na naipon ko mga Inday, $4 na naipon ko doon sa TikTok, sa natin sa YouTube, YouTube, sa Facebook natin mga Inday. Pero pangit naman kasi si Facebook kasi niya always restricted na wala ka namang ginawang parang ayaw nila maarte si Facebook mga Inday. So ayun lang mga Inday, ma-share ko lang, and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lugar, yung place kung saan kami pupunta para naman masilayan nyo ang daan. Ayan. So ayun lang mga Inday, see you later.
Happy Fritzy.
So nag-eyeglasses tayo mga Inday kasi mainit. So ma-Janet mga Inday.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna shed.
A few moments later.
So yung mga inday, si Roberto and my husband. Pupunta kami sa ano kasi bibili sila ng gift for my mother-in-law. Mama nila. Sobrang bait mga inday, sobrang bait yan. Ayan. Si Roberto mga inday, kumakain niya ng mga Filipino po pero si William hindi madalang lang siya. I already add cart in Amazon. It's $21, I think. So magtingin-tingin tayo dito mga Zay. Ayan, dito every time na mag-camping kami mga inday or hunting, dito talaga kami pupunta kaso may pagka-pricey lang talaga dito. Pricey siya. So, ang ganda ng bag natin mga inday, galing Shein. It's what I like! May mga tasa din sila mga inday. Para siyang ano, ito. Ganda ng tasa. Samahan natin sa kundi yung mga hindi kumuha siya ng cart kasi nga bibili sila ng tawag nito ng pangregalo dito ilagay. May nagregalo sa akin mga inday na Yeti. Ito ganito siya. Ayan. Ito siya mga inday. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi nga 5 na yung tumbler ko mga inday. Ay 4 pala yung tumbler ko. So hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. Ayan. Tapos yung ganito mga inzay, ginagamit ni Uncle Nini always. Bali dalawa yung regalo niya sa akin. So shout out sa you, Day. Thank you so much. Ganito siya mga inday na regalo sa akin. Yung ganyan na kulay. Sa Amazon, $50. Dito, $40 na lang. Ayan mga inday, ma-share ko lang.
Fans instead of OnlyFans.
Get on there and see if the two of you.
I think we could both fit.
I think that's good for both of you.
Yeah, because we are... See?
Okay, lay down. Oh my!
Let's go to sleep.
Are you guys gonna buy one of those? Okay, let's not get randy. Let's get going now. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Holy criminy! Get out of here.
You want to buy one of these?
This is for OnlyFans.
You want to buy one of these for the kids? They have a big tent.
What I mean, they have a job.
Are you guys gonna lay there all day, or are we gonna look around here?
Buy one for us. If we're gonna go in the cold, we could put one of those in it too.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we get before we go up north. We're gonna
Yes.
pop.
This is like not
That's
maybe
for,
we're broke.
it's for 450 pounds.
It's like 24 hours we're broke.
Yeah, it depends how big of the pounding's going on there.
Oh my God! I don't want to hear about diddling. Yeah. Everybody.
So mga hindi ang ganda. Bilhin namin dalawa sa amin angkol mga hindi kasi nga.
A lot more room in the tent.
Kasi nga ang mga inday always every time that we are like in the camping and we are just in the floor and it's always like dusty and the dust come in our bed. So I always pag the foam. So we need like that mga inday. So we're para malinis ba? Yan. Ang hirap mag-English. Gusto kasi ni Uncle Lee mag-English tayo mga inday. Bash na tayo nito karong grammar. So that's it. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. What's wider? Yung outfit natin mga inday. Ang ganda ng bag ko na bebe sa Shein. Hala. Nakakaya mga ititingnan ako.
This tent?
Someday. I need to be a
Once we go up
caregiver first.
Once we go up in the cold
Yes.
and it's snowing, we put the heater in, you're gonna want that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stevie. Ayan mga hindi, targetin ko yan pag makatrabaho na tayo. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So this is the, oh my God, look at that. It's so expensive. Ayun siya mga inday, ang price for this. Good for 2 person. So maingay yung music mga inday, makapirated tayo. Ayan. Ang dami kong babilhin. Wala pa akong trabaho mga inday, dami kong nabibilhin. Kaya, sana makahanap tayo agad ng trabaho kasi gusto ko talaga yung ano mga inday. Yung DJI na camera ba na may microphone na yun eh. What is that? Is this skirt?
No. The belt that put your
Oh yeah, buy that.
you put your ammo in it?
You need that for your stuff, for your hammer and everything. Kulod ang ingay ng music.
I'd have that thing really good.
What is a speaker?
This is for bows.
What?
No, this is where you shoot your arrow in.
Ah, you are. You're icky. Is this kid's cage for? May pato mga inza. Ito yung mga inday, oh, nakakatakot. Mga baboy ahas. Baboy has. A wild boar. What are you looking for? If we're rich someday, I can buy you like this.
What?
Like this.
Those are the ugliest pants I've ever seen.
Tingnan yung mga inday. Katela lang siya ng ano, katela lang siya ng Shein. Tingnan niyo yung price. Pero katela lang siya ng Shein. So, yun mga inday.
We're from the e-show company.
Now, where do not go? Or go next?
What?
What's next?
I don't think that's it, I think.
That's it?
I think so.
Lakas ang music nila. Copyright. So mga hindi, tapos na kami isa lang binili. And pauwi na kami. Sakay na tayo mga inday. Ito yung mga donut mga hindi, tinapon lang. Ano? Dalawang box pa naman siya. Sayang. Sana may maduwa na homeless sa kukunin yan.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you.
2,000 years later.
So hello mga inday,
And there's
finally we're
Lucci.
home. And look at that! I got one!
Lucci thinks you're flipping out. He says, I'm out of here. Come here, Lucci.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. So open na natin. Oh my God!
Oh, hello, potassium
Diba?
dog. He says, she's crazy.
Oh hindi, tingnan niyo. Oh my God!
I think he thinks you're crying. She's not crying. She's happy. Did you think she was crying?
Oh my God, is this lamp?
Yeah, that's your card.
How can I open this?
It shows you.
Oh my God, I ripped off.
It's a card. The card is what you want. The other paper is just you just save it. I believe. I believe Lucci can fly. I believe Lucci can touch the sky. Look at that. With the clams on there. And Lucci, you farted.
Oh my god.
I think she farted when she did that. I heard something. Look at your card. I don't even have a card like that. Oh my god. Lucci's worried about you. King's like, what is she doing? She's googling. There's her card. Show Cassie your card.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Is her face on
I
it?
not how many years?
Oh yeah. Probably 3.
3?
I don't know, I'm guessing.
So it expires 7/31/27. So 2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
2 years to do what?
Then she'll have to go and take the test.
Before or after?
Before.
Oh, okay, you got 2 years to study. That's easy. Well, that's good. The 10 years, it's like, oh God, you got to wait 10 years, but you got 2 years, you can come in. Wow.
It tells you on the back,
Flamingo dog.
here, it explains to you like what it means. What
You look snazzy, Raw.
For this now.
Lucci's like, oh my gosh, I know they're staying with me. I know they're leaving, but I know they're staying. I just know it. It's hot outside.
I'm gonna read this later.
Okay, am I still filming you?
So yun mga Inday, 2 years valid yung green card natin, and then mag-ano na tayo, apply for citizen again. I'm so excited. So thank you so much.
See, most people see that they get a 10-year thing, and they're like,
Yeah.
oh my God, how come I only got a 2-year? But 2-year is better because you become a citizen faster. You see what I mean? Bam, bam, bam. Should I shut off?
Yes.